Hi guys, may gabi. Nahuman ako day off. Padung na sa balay, padung na uli. Mo na dire. Tayo na physical, mo na among balay dire. Padung sa sud na hagdanan. Ay, salamat kay taga-istorya mi sa kumbana. Sunday man pudihan day off. Palit og gamit, tagawas, kaon. Uli sa balay, pahuway, ugma trabaho na sad. Thanks to my second family in Qatar. I talked to them. Thanks to my madam. Shout out to my madam, sir. Shout out to you, Lynn and Lulu, Barhum and Khalil, and Nadine and Jordan. Thanks to you all. I miss you all. Thanks, Lulu. You followed my Facebook reels. You and Lynn. The Basha family. And tell your friends also there in Qatar to follow me. Follow me in my Facebook reels. To my new upcoming followers in Qatar. Thank you. Bye bye.